Yeah, good evening, friends. Myself, Dr. Seshadri. I have 18 years of teaching experience. I am AWS certified trainer at associate level. Friends, the demo session videos will be uploaded on YouTube channel. This is the link for demo videos. Yesterday, day one demo recording video will be available on YouTube. DURGASOFT is uploaded on the YouTube channel. I'll send it in the link to the chat box, right? Friends, I'm providing the training is 40 hours to 45 hours. I am providing the training. If I'm taking daily 2 hours session, then I can complete the training program is 20 to 22 hours. I can complete your 20 days to 22 days. I can complete your training program. Once you registered your course, then every day you are getting class recording videos, class material, you got it. At the end of the training, you got AWS interview questions and answers. AWS dumps, you are getting it. That is after completion of my training program, your practice is well, then you are attempting the global certification, foundational level or at associate level. Then previously how the questions are asking and the answers also I am providing. And also friends, at the end of the training, each and every topic, the screenshot explanation I am providing. Each and every concept, the screenshot explanation I am providing. For this training program, the fee is 5,000 rupees, right? See, those are the concepts I had to cover in my training program, And also friends, I'll send it in the chat box. What content exactly I have to cover in my training program, I'll send it in the chat box, right? Fine, friends. See, in the day one demo session, I covered the basics of cloud computing. What is cloud computing? What are advantages of cloud computing? What are cloud delivery models, or we also call it as a types of clouds? I can cover the cloud delivery models or the cloud deployment models are the types of clouds. And also the cloud delivery models, cloud computing is providing three types of delivery models are providing. Deployment models are the types of cloud. Both of them are same. Delivery models is nothing but those are the delivery models. Software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service. Fine, friends. Now, today's session, I want to explore. This is the day two demo session. This is the day two demo session. On day two demo session, I explore the concept is how to create your AWS free tier account. How to create your AWS free tier account. Free tier account. Before I explore the AWS free tier account steps, the AWS global infrastructure. AWS global infrastructure. How many regions are there? How many availability zones are there? That's I hard to explain it. Once the global infrastructure has to complete, then I can explore how to create your AWS free tier account. And also, friends, in this session, I want to explore how to launch and connect the Windows server. How to launch and connect the Windows server. Windows server. Fine. First, I have to explore the AWS global infrastructure. See, the AWS will be actually started. The AWS is nothing but it's a cloud computing services. It is created by the Amazon, right? When it is started means 2006. 2006. See, the AWS has their data centers or across the globe, their data centers are there. They are investing huge data centers throughout globally. How many regions are there? How many availability zones are there in the AWS is 33 geographic regions are there and 105 availability zones are there. It is updated. Now we have to check it here. If we copy this link and paste it here in the browser, if we click on this one, see that one more region will be launched. 34 regions are there. How many availability zones are there? 108 availability zones are there. See, each region contains multiple availability zones. Multiple availability zones are there, right? In each region, there are multiple availability zones are there. Like that, how many regions are there globally means 34 regions are there. Availability zones are there, 108 availability zones are there. If you scroll down here, I'll send it in the chat box, the link also, the AWS global infrastructure. You also see it, you can copy and paste it in your browser. You are getting the AWS global infrastructure. Global infrastructure. If you scroll down here, the AWS cloud, it spans 108 availability zone within 34 geographic regions. Within 34 geographic regions, they plan to upgrade 18 more availability zones and 6 more AWS regions. They plan to upgrade 6 regions, 18 availability zones. See, in 6 regions, Mexico, New Zealand, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Thailand, Taiwan, and the European countries, European regions. See, if you scroll down here in AWS global infrastructure, see here, the green color circles are there. The green color circles which are representing the existed regions are there. See here, the existed regions are there. Mumbai region is there. Hyderabad region is also there. See that. The green color circles, they are representing the existed data centers. Existed data center. Their data centers will be available here, right? How many regions are there? 34 regions are there. See here. How many regions are there? 34 regions are there. How many availability zones are there? 108 availability zones are there. 108 availability zones are there. See, in this AWS global infrastructure, some of them are representing red color circles. Red color circles which are representing the upcoming regions. Upcoming regions. Already I told that here AWS has to plan 6 more regions in Mexico, New Zealand, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Thailand, Taiwan, and the European regions. See here, the Mexico. Upcoming regions. They plan to upgrade their data centers. See here. This is also one of the reason is there. Thailand, right? Here, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. See here, this is Taiwan. Like that, they need to upgrade 6 more AWS regions and 18 more availability zones. They need to upgrade it. They need to upgrade it. What I mentioned the point here, that is each region contains the multiple availability zones. Multiple availability zones. See friends, here, if you take the Mumbai region, how many availability zones are there is? 3 availability zones are there. The 3 availability zones are nothing but one is AP South 1A, AP South 1A, AP South 1A, and second one is AP South 1B, AP South 1B, AP South 1C, AP South 1C. See, the 3 availability zones are there in the Mumbai region. 3 availability zones are there in the Mumbai region. Sir, why the 3 availability zones are required? Why the 3 availability zones are required? See here, see. From one availability zone to another availability zone, there is a strong connection will be there. There is a robust connection will be there. See, your application has to deploy it more than one availability zone. Whatever Your application is there. If you are developing and you can deploy it on the cloud environment, we can deploy it, your application more than one availability zone. More than one availability zone. See, in any one of the region, one availability zone is down, then your application will be safely running in another availability zone. Let's assume that your application has to deploy on AP South 1A, on AP South 1B, then due to some reason, the 15 minutes or the 20 minutes, the availability zone is down, then your application will be safely running in this availability zone. That's why the AWS is introducing the multiple availability zones in each region. See, in Mumbai region, 3 availability zones are there. In Hyderabad region, 3 availability zones are there. Now will see here. This is my AWS free tier account. I can sign it here. Using my mail ID. I entered my mail ID. See here. This is my AWS account. See friends, this is my AWS account. Now, if you click on here, this arrow mark, they are nothing but what? They are the regions. North Virginia region, California, Hyderabad region. See, when you are creating your AWS account, Hyderabad region default, it is not enabled. If you want to enabling it, we can also enabling it, right? Mumbai region, Singapore region, Sydney region, Canada Central, right? Europe, Ireland, right? Those many regions are there. In my AWS free tier account, those many regions which are showing. If you scroll down here, there are 12 more regions are not enabled for this account, for this my account, my AWS account. Sir, I need to enable those one also. It's very simple. Here, we can see here in your AWS account, we can click on this arrow mark. You have to scroll down. At the bottom, not enabling regions are there. Click on manage regions option is there. Click on manage regions option is there. See here, we have to scroll down. See that the default Hyderabad region is also disabled. If you need to enable the Hong Kong, then we have to select it. See that enable option is there. You need to enable the particular region. See, right now in my AWS account, those many regions are there. You need to enable the not enabling region. We can also enabling it. See that already I told that in each region having multiple availability zone. Total how many regions are there? 34 regions are there. Each region can have multiple availability zone. See, just now I am saying that in Mumbai region, 3 availability zones are there. AP South 1A, AP South 1B, AP South 1C. Now see here. I can click on here on EC2 service. Just we can observe. Instances. See here. See that in the network. I am there in Mumbai region. See here. See in Mumbai region, subnets are there. If you click on here, this arrow mark, how many availability zones are there? AP South 1A, AP South 1B, AP South 1C. Means in Mumbai region, 3 availability zones are there. Similarly, I had to check it here in Hyderabad region also. See here in the network settings, edit option, in subnet, we have to see that AP South 2A, AP South 2B, AP South 2C. Sir, why more number of availability zones are required? To deploy your application, you have to choose it more than one availability zone. If any one of the availability zone is down, your application will be safely running in another availability zone. That's why they are introducing more availability zones in the regions. See, the highest availability zones region is North Virginia region. See that. In North Virginia region, how many availability zones are there? How many availability zones are there? If you click on here on network settings, edit option, subnet, you have to see that how many availability zones are there? 1, 2, US East 1A, US East 1B, US East 1D, 1E, 1C, and 1F. Total 6 availability zones are there. Highest availability zones are in North Virginia regions are there. In North Virginia regions are there, right? See, how many regions are there in the AWS global infrastructure? 34 regions are there. 34 regions are there. 108 availability zones are there. They plan to upgrade 18 more availability zones and 6 more AWS regions in those one. Mexico, New Zealand, Thailand, right? Arabian, see, Saudi Arabian, Kingdom of Saudi Arabian, those many regions, they are planned to upgrade their regions, right? See, this is I am not updated, right? So right now, 34 regions are there. Right now, 34 regions are there. How many regions are there? 34 geographic regions are there. How many availability zones are there? 108 availability zones are there. If you click on this link, then it is showing the AWS global infrastructure. I'll tell you what are the free tier account limitations. It is providing when you are creating your AWS free tier account, 12 months it is providing the free services. I'll tell you what are the limitations also in your AWS free tier account. In your AWS free tier account. Fine. Fine, friends. See that. Here, my training will be over. Then your practice will be perfect. Then you may attempt the global certification exam. That is at the foundation level. At the foundation level, right? You may apply the exam after completion of my training program. At associate level also, we can apply it. I am providing the training is at associate level, I am providing the training. You may attempt the exam foundation level, or you may attempt the exam AWS certified solution architect associate. You can apply it, or you may apply the exam AWS certified developer at associate level. You can apply it. AWS certified system apps administrator, we can apply it, right? Once you are done job 2 to 3 years, then you have the commanding, then you can go for the professional level. See, the global certification will be valid for the 3 years. 3 years. That's why you are the first time, then first we can write the exam after completion of my training program, and you are preparing well, you can go for the foundation level. Foundational level, right? If you have the certification, you have the more weightage is there when you are attempting to the interviews. Once the foundation level will be over, that foundation certification will be valid for 3 years. Then you can go for the associate level. That associate level also, the 3 years will be valid. Don't go for directly the professional level. Professional level. You are the fresher, you are not directly recruiting the DevOps engineering, because they need the experience at the AWS developer level or at associate administration level. See, first you can join as a developer at associate level or the admin level. So once you have the experience on the AWS, then only you can go for the jobs in the professional level. Direct, they are not taken. The DevOps engineering, right? See, there are AWS is providing, once you are completing this certification, then you are eligible for the AWS certified solution architect professional level. This guy is also eligible for this certification, AWS certified DevOps engineering. Sir, I am writing, this is the exam, AWS certified DevOps developer associate level. Then you are eligible for AWS certified DevOps engineer. Sir, I am completed at associate level AWS certified system apps administrator. Then this guy is also eligible for AWS certified DevOps engineering professional level. Apart from that, the AWS is providing many more specialization certification. Big data point of view, it is providing specialization certification. Alexa skill builder, it is providing the specialty certification. Machine learning, it is providing the certification. Advanced networking, it is providing the certification. Security, it will providing the certifications. That is, AWS is providing many more specialization certifications will be providing, right? This is the certification point of view. I'm telling what you are written, the certifications, global certifications. I'm telling this slide, I can explain it. See, that is nothing but I have to explain the AWS global infrastructure and the introduction about the AWS. Now, we are going to move how you can create your AWS free tier account. How to create your AWS free tier account. So, to create your AWS free tier account, see, to create your AWS free tier account, you need, those are the things. Those are required. Sir, what are it is required? To create your AWS free tier account, you need the credit card or debit card. One is credit card or debit card. Second one is nothing bad. Your mail ID is required. Third is your mobile number is required. See, already I have my AWS free tier account. That's why I'm not follow with hands-on. I can explain how to create your AWS free tier account with the help of the screenshots I have to explain. See that this is the steps we have to follow how to create your AWS free tier account. This is the link we have to follow to create your AWS free tier account. To create your AWS free tier. I'll send it in the chat box. How to create, what is the link we have to follow to create your AWS free tier. When you click on here, this link, see that, see here, then it is asking that sign up for your AWS account. You need to enter the email ID, root user email ID, and you need to enter AWS account name. Sir, while given the account name, the name must be unique. That is, you need to enter the mail ID and you need to enter your AWS account name. While given the account name, you have to give it the globally it's unique. And then click on verify email address. When you click on verify email address, then in your mail ID, you have received one OTP we have to receive it. See, that point I have to mention it here. See that you can enter it here, your mail ID and your AWS account. And then we can click on verify email address. Sir, while given your AWS account name, it must be unique. You can enter your mail ID and you have to give your AWS account name. Click on verify email address. When you click on verify email address, to your mail ID, you receive one OTP you are received. That OTP, you have to enter it here. Click on verify option. Fine, friends. Fine. When you click on verify option, then it is asking that you need to enter your AWS account, password you need to enter it. And we have to confirm the password. For confirming the password, again we have to type it. Again you need to type it the password. If you are entered the password is like that, you need to enter the password. To confirming purpose, you need to enter again the password. See, while given the password, we have to follow, those are the points. Password length is 8 characters length. See, it contains the minimum of these 3 things. Your password contains minimum 3 of these 3 things. Password contain uppercase letter. Your password contain lowercase letter, number, and the non-alphanumeric character. Like that, we have to give your password. You have to give your password and then click on continue option. And then click on continue option. After you enter your password and you are confirming the password, click on continue option. Then it is asking that, you need to enter your details. You need to enter your details. See that. How do you plan to your AWS account? That's for business or personal. See, you have to prefer the personal, we have to prefer it. And then you need to enter your full name, mobile number, country or region, we have to select it, address, city, state, postal code, and put the tick mark and then click on continuation option. That the second step is nothing bad. It is asking your details. It's asking your name, your address, your region, and your city, your state, postal code, and then click on continue option. That the second step is nothing but your personal details you have to enter. Then once you enter your details, then if you click on continue option, then the next step is nothing but you need to enter your card details. You need to enter your card details. That is, you need to enter your card number. You need to enter your card number, credit card or debit card number. You need to enter it. And your card expiration month you have to specify. Card expiration year you need to specify it. And you need to enter card holder name. And if you turn on the card, the CVV number is there, the three-digit number. That three-digit number we have to enter it. And billing address we have to choose it. And you have the PAN card, you have to put the yes option and you need to enter the PAN card details. Otherwise, you have to choose it, no option, and then click on verify and continue option. That is nothing bad. The third step, it is asking that your card details. Your card details you need to enter it. Once you enter your card details, from your bank account, 2 rupees will be deducted. When you enter the OTP to your mobile number. When you enter the OTP to your mobile number, then to your bank, the 2 rupees will be deducted. That is for verification purpose. Within 24 hours, the 2 rupees will be credited to your account. Credited to your bank account. That's only for verification purpose. And you can enter your OTP, click on submit option. Fine. Then again, it is asking that you need to confirm your identity. To confirm your identity, you may choose the text message or the voice. Sir, I am chosen the text message. You may choose the voice calls also, no problem at all. I am choosing the text message and you can choose the region or the country code. Again, you need to enter the mobile number. Whatever the security check, it will be appear on your screen. That security check, you need to enter it. Here. And then click on send SMS. That is nothing but the fourth step, you can done it here. Then you have to scroll down. Then whatever the verification code you are received, that verification code you can enter it and then click on continue option. That is the step. Next, when you are click on continue option, then it is asking that you need to choose the plan. Friends, you are for practicing purpose. You need to choose which plan you need to choose it. Basic support free account we have to choose it. Sir, I am chosen the developer support. Then you need to pay monthly $29. Sir, I am chosen business support plan. Then you need to pay monthly $100. See, after click on continue option on the step 4, then you need to choose the basic support plan. That is the free tier. You have to select it. It is providing 12 months of the free services. 12 months of the free services it is providing. You can choose the basic support free service. You need to choose it. Basic support free service. We have to choose it. And then click on complete sign up. Click on complete sign up. Then you are getting the messages. Congratulations. You can go to the management console. AWS management console. And also, friends, it is asking what is your role, and your interested area. That's we have to select it and then click on submit option. Click on submit option. See, once your AWS free tier account will be created, once your AWS free tier account will be created, it is showing like that. See that? It is showing. Then we can sign in your console. Click on here. Click on here. You need to choose sign in using root user mail ID. Sign in using root user mail ID. See, there are two users are there. Root user, IAM user. I'll tell you in detail in upcoming session, right? The IAM concept is there. See, every day we have to sign in using the root user email ID. Click on it here. Then whatever the mail ID you are given at the time of your AWS free tier account, that mail ID we have to enter it here. And whatever the password you are given, that password we have to enter it here. Then this is your AWS free tier account. This is my AWS free tier account, friends. See that here, this is my account name and account ID is there. Account ID is there. See, in my AWS account, those many reasons which are supported. Those many reasons which are supported. If you scroll down here, the not enabled in my AWS account, those reasons are also which are showing here. Which are showing here. See here, those are, we can observe the cursor points. We can observe the cursor moments. See, those are nothing but recently visited services in my AWS account. See, I'm using those services. EC2 service, S3, SNS, billing and cost management, identity and access management, Route 53, RDS, VPC, AWS backup, Amazon Event Bridge, CloudWatch, data synchronization. Those are the services recently I'm using. Recently I'm using. See, they are nothing but recently visited services in my AWS account. It is showing. See, in your account, it may not be showing those many services because you are not done the services. That's why it is not showing this one, right? Now, 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 now. That is about, those are the steps we have to follow, how to create your AWS free tier account. How to create
Excuse me,
your
sir.
AWS free tier account. Yes, Raju Kumar.
Yeah, I have one question here.
Yeah.
Like inside the AWS free tier, there are three types of offer, like free tiers, 12 months free, and always free. So we did not find this kind of option here on the slides actually. So where this option will appear?
No, this will be up here while creating your AWS free tier account. See that we can click on here. This is the link. Already I send it in the chat box. This is the link. We have to click on it here. You need to enter your mail ID and your name, right? And we have to follow the steps. I can send it in the chat box. The steps, what are the steps we have to follow? I'll send it here.
No, I, I, I I can find that URL, but there is a inside the pricing there is a overview tab. Inside the overview, AWS free tier.
Okay.
Inside the AWS free tier, three types of offers like free tiles, 12-month free, and always free.
No, always free is nothing, but it is providing some of the services it is providing. Their
Okay.
limitations are also there.
Okay.
You have to choose the basic plan and then we can create it. Those are the steps I am sending. I have to explain. The free tier account limited, free tier account.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Okay. Fine. Fine. Now, I have to explain how to create your AWS free tier account. I have to explain. Now, friends, today's session, I want to explore. I want to explore how to launch and connect the Windows server. How to launch and connect the Windows server using the EC2 service. Using the EC2 service. EC2 is nothing but the Elastic Cloud Computing. EC2 stands for Elastic Cloud Computing. EC2 stands for the Elastic Cloud Computing. See that using EC2 service, how to launch and connect your Windows server. Your Windows server, right? See, using the EC2 service, if you want to launch the Linux server, you can launch it. If you want to launch Ubuntu, if you want to launch Red Hat Linux, if you want to launch the Windows, you can launch it using the EC2 service. And also, if you want to load balancing also, that is also we can done it. I'll tell you one by one, right? Today's session, I can explore how to launch and connect the Windows server using the EC2 service, using the EC2 service. But then, what are the steps we had to follow? What are the steps we had to follow? That the first step is, see, those are the reasons are there. You may choose any reason. You may choose the Mumbai region. You may choose North Virginia region. You may choose Singapore region. All the services will be worked out here. All the services will be worked out here. See, every day I am using the Mumbai region. You also practicing purpose, you have to choose it, the single reason we have to choose it. Every day we have to choose that reason, and after completion of your practice, whatever you have done it, the practicing, then everything we can delete it. Everything we can delete it. Right? I'll tell you the AWS pre-tier limitations also. Just wait. After completion of this service, after completion of this topic, how to launch and connect the Windows server, I'll tell you the AWS pre-tier account limitations. See, first step is you need to choose the reason. You need to choose the reason. That is, first step is you need to select the reason. You need to select the reason. See, what is the reason I am selecting? The Mumbai reason I am selecting. Then the second step is you need to select the EC2 service. You need to select the EC2 service. See here, there are recently visited services in my AWS account. Here the EC2 service here, we can click on it here. Or here on search box, the EC2, we can select it here. We can select it here. Or here, in your AWS account, the three dots are there, three lines are there on left side. We can click on it here. See here. On these dots, click on services option. See, we can choose the compute option. We can choose the compute option. And there we have to select the EC2 service. We have to select it EC2 service. See here, what is this? We have to select the EC2 service. Go for services option. Under services option, under we have to select the compute service. Under you need to select it the EC2 service. You need to select it the EC2 service. Then the second step, you need to done it. You have to select the EC2 service. Fine, friends. I am selecting the EC2 service. Now, I am there in Mumbai region. I am there in Mumbai region. Now, have to see that an EC2 dashboard. How many instances are running? 0. How many instances are there? 0. How many key pairs are there? 0. How many security groups are there? 1. That is nothing but the default security group is. Default security group is. Fine, friends. Now, I want to launch the instant. Instant is nothing but your virtual machine or your server where you need to launch it on the data center. On Mumbai region data center. You are not purchasing, friends. You are not purchasing the server. You are using the virtual machine. You are launching the instant. On where you are launching the instant? On Mumbai region, you are launching the instant. That is, the next step is you need to launch the instant. You need to launch the instant. See, to launch the instant, here on left side of the EC2 service, under the instances option is there. We can click on here. Now, is there any instances are there? Is there any virtual machines are there? All are the same terminology. Virtual machines or the instances or the missions or the servers. Is there any instances are there? No instances are there. Now, I want to launch the instant. Click on launch instant option. Here is there. Here also is there. Now, you can click on anywhere. No problem at all. I can click on it here, launch instant. I can click on it here, launch instant. Fine, friends. Then the next step is nothing but you need to give the instant name. You need to give the instant name. See, I am given the instant name is the Windows Server and that is the next step is you need to give the instant name. You need to give the instant name. See, I am given the instant name is the Windows Server and Windows Server I am given. Next step is nothing but operating system image or the Amazon mission image. That is, you need to select the operating system image. That is nothing but AMI. AMI stands for the Amazon mission image. Amazon mission image. Friends, you are launching the Windows Server. You are launching the Windows Server is nothing but which operating system image you need to select it? The Windows. See here. See, Amazon Linux is there. Ubuntu is there. Mac OS, Windows, Red Hat Linux, SUSE Linux, right? See, those many operating system images are there. See, I want to launch it, the Windows. I am selecting the operating system image is nothing but Windows I am selecting. We can also call it as Amazon mission image. Amazon mission image in the short format is AMI. AMI stands for Amazon mission image. What is AMI? It's a template. It contains software configurations. See, which includes operating system, application server, and the applications. To require to launch your instant, you need to select the operating system image or the Amazon mission image. See, I am selecting Windows. I am selecting. Start to scroll down. See, in Mumbai region, Amazon mission images, you have to click on it here. See, if you scroll down here, some of them are mentioned, free tier eligible one. Some of them are not mentioned, not free tier. Not mention anything here. Not mentioning anything here on right side here means the meaning is they are the paid version. See, you are for practicing purpose, you have to select it the free tier eligible one. Right? When you are selecting the free tier eligible one, then it is showing the AMI ID. It is showing That is the next. See that you need to select the operating system image. See, the operating system image, which one you are selecting? The Windows I am selecting. Which operating system I am selecting? Windows I am selecting. Then the next step is, see that I'll tell you the point. That is, see, you are using your Linux server or the Windows server or any mission, the three things are required. The three things are nothing but the CPU is required and the memory is required and then your hard disk is also required. These three things are compulsory for any server. The CPU is required, memory is required and hard disk is required. Sir, in the next step is you need to select the instant. You need to select the instant type. Sir, what it is providing? The instant type. The instant type, it is providing that it is providing the number of CPUs and the memory and the network performance is providing. And the network performance is provided. See friends, here default it is showing the instant type is T2.micro. T2.micro, it is providing 1 CPU, 1 GB memory, it is providing. See friends, I am there in Mumbai region. If you click on compare instance types, see that how many instant types are there? 538 instant types are there. See, as per your business requirement, as per your business needs, you need to select the instant type. What it is providing the instant type is number of CPUs, memory, storage, and the network performance it will be providing. See that in Mumbai region, 538 instant types are there. If I am chosen, the instant type is T2 dot extra large. How many CPUs are providing? 4 CPUs are providing. 16 GB memory is providing. The network performance is moderate, it is providing. Sir, I am selecting the instant type is A1 dot extra large. It is providing 4 CPUs, 8 GB memory, and the network performance is up to 10 gigabytes it is providing. Sir, I am selecting the instant type is the A1 dot metal, 16 CPUs are providing, 32 GB memory is providing, up to 10 gigabytes it is providing. See, accordingly, you are getting a bill. You are getting a bill to your AWS account. Sir, for free tier account, the T2.micro, it is providing the free service. How many CPUs it is providing? 1 CPU it is providing. How much memory it is providing? 1 GB memory it is providing. And the network performance is low to moderate it is providing. Low to moderate it is providing. See, if we are chosen other than this instant type, you are getting billed to your AWS account. I'll tell you what are the free tier account limitations also. Right? See, I am selecting the instant type is T2.micro. I am selecting. See that? See here. How many instant types are there? How many instant types are there in Mumbai region? 538 instant types are there. I am given the instant name Windows Server. I am selecting. I am selecting the operating system is Windows. I am selecting the AMI is retire eligible one. Instant type, see that I am selecting T2.micro. It is the free service. T2.small, it is the paid one. 1 CPU, 1 GB memory, it is providing. Accordingly, you are getting the bill. See, I am selecting T2.small. How many CPUs it is providing? 1 CPU it is providing. How much memory it is providing? 2 GB memory it is providing. 2 GB memory it is providing. How many CPUs? 1 CPU, 2 GB memory it is providing. Just wait for hard disk capacity. Just wait for hard disk capacity. I am selecting the instant type is T2.small. Here also it is showing that 1 CPU, 2 GB memory. Now, see, while connecting the Windows machine, while connecting the Linux machine, you need to create the key pair. Without key pair, you can't connect your Windows machine. You can't connect your Linux machine also. See, in your house also, without opening the key, you are not enter your house. See, you need to create the key pair. Sir, already I have the key pair is there. Then we can select it. Whatever the key pairs you are created, those key pairs will be displayed it here. We can select the key pair, no problem at all. Sir, I am creating the new key pair. Click on create new key pair. Then I am given the key pair name is the Windows Server key I am given. Windows Server key I am given. That is you need to create the key pair. See, I am given the key pair name is Windows Server key I am given. Key pair type is RSA, we have to select it. Private key file format, PEM file format. Again, I am telling you, PEM file format, we have to select it. Click on create key pair. Key pair is downloaded in my downloads option. See here, in my downloads, the key pair is there. What is the name I am given? Windows Server key I am given. Fine. Next, network settings. Edit option. Right now, I am not explaining the VPC. VPC stands for Virtual Private Cloud. See, Virtual Private Cloud. In upcoming session, I can explain that how to create your own VPC. Under your VPC, you can launch your Windows machine, you can launch your Linux server. Right now, we have to select it, the default VPC. See, in Mumbai region, the 3 availability zones are there: AP South 1A, AP South 1B, AP South 1C. Suppose if I am selecting AP South 1A, my instant, my mission, my Windows server is launched in AP South 1. If I am not given any preference, my instant will be launched in any one of the 3 availability zone. See, I am not given any preference. Auto assign public IP, that is default enable is there, as it is I am providing. Now, you can create the security group. Sir, what is the firewall? That is, a security group is a set of firewall rules. Security group is a set of firewall rules that controls the traffic for your instant. Add rules to allow the specific traffic to reach your instant. For that, you need to create the security group. See, I am given the security group name is, for our understanding purpose, Windows Server STN. Copy the security group name, paste it here in the description, and also we have to note down the security group. This is the security group name and fine. Sir, you are launching the Windows Server in inbound security group rule. Type is providing RDP. Port range is 3389. Source type here I am selecting anywhere. Suppose if I am selecting my IP address, with my laptop IP address only, the Windows machine is connected. If I am selecting custom, then I need to enter the IP address. With that IP address only, my Windows machine will be connected. If I am selecting anywhere, that is, if you know my AWS account credentials, if you know my Windows server, the key pair, then we can connect my Windows server at any time, at any place, at any location. See, I am selecting the source type is anywhere I am selecting. Fine. See, the default, the storage it is providing, the Windows machine is 30 GB storage it is providing. That is how much hard disk can be providing? 30 GB storage it is providing. 30 GB storage it is providing. Okay, fine. See, I'm not adding right now new volumes. I'm not adding advanced details. Click on launch instant. Click on launch instant. Click on launch. See here, the instant is launched. The instant is launched in the Mumbai region. Now we observe that on instances, just refreshing the browser. What is the instant state? Pending. Wait for few minutes. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Because the instant will be launched in Mumbai region data center. The instant state is pending is there. See that? Now the instant state is running. If you move this scroll bar, it is showing the details. Instant name, instant ID is in queue, instant state is running, instant type is, I am selecting the instant type while launching the instant, t2.small. Status check right now it is not showing, initializing. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes, then the status check it is showing 2 by 2. I'll tell you what is the reason in upcoming session I can explain. See, I am not selecting in the network setting, edit option, availability zone I am not selecting. No preference I am given. My instant, my mission will be launched in AP South 1A. Public IPv4 DNS, public IPv4, elastic IP address I am not using, monitoring I am not using. While launching the instant, the security group name is, this is the security group name I am. The key pair is Windows Server key I am given. This is the launch date and time it is selecting. Platform is Windows it is showing. Okay. See, if you select this instant, at the bottom also it is showing the details. Instant ID, public IPv4, private IP address, instant state, all the details will be selected, showing. See, I can copy the public IP address. I'll paste it here in the notepad. This is the public IP address. of my Windows machine. I want to note down the private IP address. I want to note down the private IP address. This is the private IP address. Okay, fine, fine. Sir, I want to connect this Windows machine, this Windows machine, this Windows machine. See, to connect this Windows machine, you need the password. You need the password. See, while launching the instance, I am downloading the key pair is Windows Server key, PEM file I am downloading. Sir, I need the password. Without password, you are not connecting your Windows machine. How you got the password? How you got the password? See that? You have to select the instant or the virtual machine. Instant or the virtual machine, all are the same terminology. I am selecting the instant. Go for connect option. At the top, connect option is there. Click on that. Now, we can go to the RDP client. See that? Instant ID it is showing. Now, public DNS is there. You can copy this one, public DNS. You can paste it here. Fine. What is the username for your Windows machine? Administrator. That's also we can copy it and paste it here in the notepad. Fine. Sir, I need the password to connect your Windows machine. Click on get password option. See that while launching your Windows machine, I am selecting the key pair type is PEM file format. That file we can upload it here. Click on upload file option is there. Where your PEM file is there? In my downloads. See that? What's your PEM file name? Windows Server key. That's we have to select it. Click on open. Scroll down. Decrypt password option is there. Now you are getting the password. Copy the password. Paste it here in the password. Fine. Fine. Now, I want to connect the Windows machine. To connect your Windows machine, in your laptop, you are using Windows operating system. Remote desktop connection is there. See here. Remote desktop connection, we have to use it. Sir, I am using in my laptop Linux operating system. Don't worry. You can download remote desktop file. With the help of remote desktop file, you can connect your Windows machine. Sir, I am using Mac operating system. Don't worry. You can download the remote desktop file and we can connect it with the help of the remote desktop file. Right? See, in my laptop, I have the Windows operating system is there. See, in my laptop on the search box, if I am typing remote desktop connection, see that this is there. Now we can click on remote desktop connection. Then it is asking that to enter the computer. Means you need to enter the IP address, public IP address. See, this is the public IP address of my Windows machine, or you need to enter it here. Public DNS also. Anyone we can enter it, either public IPv4 or the public DNS. I can copy the public DNS of my Windows machine. Okay. Click on connect option. Click on connect option. Now it is asking that you need to enter the username. Username is administrator. I can copy this one or you can enter it here. You need to enter the password. See that this is the password I have. That's why if single character is missing the password, then you can't connect your Windows machine. That's why I can copy and paste it here on the browser. I can copy the password. I'll paste it here. If single character is missing, then you are not connecting your Windows machine. Click on OK. Click on yes. Click on yes. See that your Windows machine is connected from Mumbai region data center. Mumbai region data center. See here, it's taking the time to connect the Windows machine from Mumbai region data center. It's taking the time. 1 or 2 minutes time it is taking the time. Yeah, see that? It is connecting from Mumbai region data center. Just wait for 1 more minute. Click on yes option here. Just wait for 1 minute. Yeah. Now we observe that. We observe the screen. We observe the screen. I am not installing the Windows operating system. I am connecting the Windows server from Mumbai recent data center. See here at the top, EC2 hyphen 3 hyphen 6 hyphen 40 hyphen 115. That's nothing but the public IP address. See that here on right side also at the top it is mentioned that the host name, instant ID, this instant ID B34 is there at the last. You can check it here on instances. On instances, this is the instant ID B34 means I am connecting from Mumbai recent data center. This is the instant ID, private IP address, public IP address, instant size is T2.small I am selecting. Availability zone, AP South 1. See here, my instant will be launched in AP South 1. AP South 1. That is, here it is showing the details. It is showing the details. See that, while launching the instant, I am selecting T2.small. Windows operating system I am selecting. How much storage it is providing? 30 CB. See here, click on File Explorer. This PC, are you able to see that 30 CB? 29.9 is there. See, out of that, only 13.8 GB is the free. Because for operating system, it is occupies some space. The remaining free space it is showing. Free space it is showing. Right? That is where 30 GB hard disk can be provided. Right? See, those are the steps we have to follow. How to launch and connect the Windows server. How to launch and connect your Windows server. Right, friends? Right, friends? Now we observe the EC2 dashboard. EC2 dashboard. We observe that how many instances are running? 1. How many instances are there? 1. How many key pairs you are creating? 1 key pair. How many security groups are there? In earlier one is there. Now you are creating, that is one security group is Windows Server SG. See that one key pair you are creating, the key pair name is Windows Server. See that, see, while launching the Windows mission, that is default, it is providing the storage is 30 GB it is providing. See that volumes, this is the root volume is there, 30 CB, 30 CB, right? See, those are the steps we have to follow, how to launch and connect the Windows server. Windows server, right? That's about today's session, friends. And tomorrow's session, I'll explain that the AWS free tier account limitations, and also I explore what are the steps we have to follow to launch and connect the Linux server. I have to explain on tomorrow's session. If anyone have any questions, see, friends, once your practice is over, then you can delete your instant. You can terminate your instant. See that I'm selecting the instant. Go for the instant state. Stop instant is there. Terminate instant is there. See, if I am selecting the stop instant is nothing but like shutdowning your laptop. When I am stopping the instant, automatically the connection is also closed. See here, connection is also closed, right? Stopping the instant is nothing but like shutdowning your machine, shutdowning your laptop, right? Sir, I want to start the mission on next day or 1 week or 1 month. Then no need to follow those steps. No need to follow those steps. Simply see what we have to do is you have to select your instant, go for the instant state, start instant option is there, then see that successfully initiated starting of this instant state. Now we observe that what is the instant state? Pending. Once the instant state is running, then you can connect your Windows machine using remote desktop connection. Using remote desktop connection, right? See, those are the steps we have to follow how to launch and connect your Windows server. Your Windows server. Now we have said that instant state is running. Now you can connect your Windows machine using remote desktop connection. Using remote desktop connection. Sir, how to delete, how to terminate this instant is, select this instant. What I am recommending is, after completion of your practice, we have to terminate it. for better practicing purpose. For better practicing purpose. But the companies never stop or never terminate the server. The server is running 24/7, 365 days it is running. If they terminate the instant, the entire data will be lost. That's why the company never terminated. But for your practicing purpose, once your practice is over, then you can select your instant, go for the instant state, terminate instant option is there, click on terminate option. Then first it is shutdowning the instant and then terminating it from Mumbai region data center, right? So that's about today's session, friends. On tomorrow's session, I have to explore what are the free tier account limitations are there and how to launch and connect the Linux server. I have to explore. Anyone have any questions? Anyone have any questions? See that for
So,
details and the fee regarding these, you have to contact. Those are the numbers. I'll send it in the chat box. I'll send it in the chat box. Yes, Rajiv Kumar.
yeah, so the recording for today will be available very next day.
Today recording will be available tomorrow. They are uploaded on YouTube channel, DURGASOFT YouTube channel. Already I am sending the link. This is the link we had to follow for demo session videos. Demo session videos will be available in this link. I'll send it here. Again, I am sending it here.
Yeah, thank you.
This is the link we had to follow. Okay. Any questions? Any questions, friends?
No.
Yeah. If no questions are there, I'll end the session. Tomorrow is the last demo session, right? Once the demos will be over, then whoever paid students, they got the new link. Okay. Thank you. I'll end the session.